Okay, welcome to this training again on using the terminal. So we want to, you see this is a payment portal where you have a global pay donation where you make donation, and under donation purposes you have general offering, thanksgiving, tithe, seed, and others. But our aim is to replace this thanksgiving with partnership. So we want to replace this um, donation purpose. We want to replace an option there, replace Thanksgiving with partnership. So what we're going to do is using the terminal. Okay, so here we go. I log on to this is the control panel already, and I'm on the terminal. We're going to use the terminal to change it. So this is one of a live project. So this is the console. Okay, press enter, and I'm now on the directory of this is the directory, the payment portal directory. Okay, but before I replace this Thanksgiving, I need to be sure that this is not represented anywhere. Before changing it, we want to do one quick search so we don't accidentally remove something that depends on that Thanksgiving. So want to search the entire plugin to be sure it's not tied anywhere. We remember this command. I'm going to search the entire directory. Okay. Okay, the search found only one occurrence, which is this. Okay, so replacing Thanksgiving with partnership is clearly easy. There's no other plugin code specifically referring to that Thanksgiving. We've searched, there's no other place Thanksgiving is found. So it's easy, but the first thing we do is also make a backup. Okay, we just back up. Okay, we've done the backup, and they will also confirm the backup before doing any replacement in case there's any error. We can fall back. So we confirm the backup. Okay. Okay, it's confirmed. Then I'm gonna use just a Python command to replace it. Okay, you have this. Okay, this is the where you find this is the file holding the value Thanksgiving. Okay, option, you have this. Okay, the old Thanksgiving, you have the new this. If old, nothing. Okay, use this Python command. Okay, you can see the Python command here. Then after typing it, press enter. You can replace with other ones. If it's not Thanksgiving, you can use another thing. So you run this command and press enter. Okay, you can see updated Thanksgiving replaced with partnership. Okay, with this command I just you can see the seed command, and to search it. Okay, even from the terminal you see it has been replaced. You no longer see this there. And if I go back to my website and I refresh, Okay, refresh the site. Okay, now I open it. This is a donation purpose. I refresh it. It has been replaced. So this is the easiest way to replace it using the terminal command. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.